How to find words in Google Docs. So this is pretty simple. There's two ways of doing this. The first way of doing this is to go to Edit, Find and Replace, and type in your word here. So every time there's the two letters D and O, they are highlighted. The other way of doing this is by pressing Control and F at the same time. Now type in your word, and every single time these two letters show up, they're going to be highlighted. And here, it's going to show the number of times it's repeated. So as you can see, 1 of 32, and the first one is highlighted more because this is the first one of the 32 times this word appeared. If you click here, the second time the word appears, it's highlighted. By clicking this, you can navigate the words and the amount of times they appeared. And that's how to find words in Google Docs.